Hi, this is Dan Fleming from Dan's Mark Software Solutions. I have a little program that I'd like to show you. Actually, it's two programs. One is to draw stairs with. The other one is to draw railings on top of those stairs. It's a quick and easy program. It is thundering outside, so you may hear a little rumble of thunder from time to time. We actually have a job that I just did that I wanted to use as an example of how this program works. Basically, it's 3 floors. We're going to start off at 85 foot 9 inch elevation. This is going to be the second floor level. And then we have 2 railings, 2 stairs between the first and second, or the second and third floor. So let's go ahead and run our program to draw our stairs with. Now we're going to draw our stairs first, and then we'll come back in the second video and put the railings on it. So we're going to pick a point, we're going to draw it, flip back over to the drawing right quick. This one will be to the right, so you can draw them to the right or to the left. This will be to the right. Enter the rise, which would be down here 7 foot 7, and the run's going to be 11 foot 1 inch with 12 treads. Okay, 7 foot 7. We're going to do a custom. We can either do custom or normal. Normal uses an 11 inch tread and doesn't ask you how wide it is, because it's going to use an 11 inch tread as the calculation for the run. But we're going to do a custom. The run's going to be 11 foot 1 inch, and there's going to be 12 treads. Now we can either do bolted or pan stairs. We're going to do pan type stairs. Concrete or metal. We're going to do concrete. Now, which side is this railing on? This side or far side? We'll go back to our drawing and look at it. It shows that this railing is on the far side. Second one is towards us, which is the near side. So let's put in F for far side, and then we need to know the starting elevation. I already know what it is, but we'll flip back over and look. 85 foot 9 inches. So this is 85 foot 9 inches. We're going to start on the third floor, and we have a width for the plan view. So let's just say it's 6 foot wide. You put in whatever you want. Now the program created the elevation, which is in the middle. It created the left view, which is a section view of the stair. If you're standing on the left looking back towards the right, that drawing on the left is basically what you would see. The drawing on the right on this side is a plan view. Now it creates blocks out of each one of these. It keeps track of what number of stair this is, stair 1 through whatever, which is on near side or far side. It puts a little annotation in here for the tread rise, the tread length, and the rise of this stair. In plan view, it shows you which way is up. Stair, it keeps track of the stair. It also, if you list it, it says stair 1 top. Okay, if you list the elevation, it's stair 1. If you list the elevation over here, notice it labeled it and showed you which way was up. Stair 1S for section, T for top. So it already started out the first floor elevation. I may have mislabeled that. I should have put the second floor in there, but let's just go ahead and say it's the third floor, okay, just for this video. Now I'm going to go ahead and move this stuff out of the way, because we may be working right over the top of it. We're going to either do a new stair, and then you pick a new point. There's that thunder I was telling you about. or we can continue this stair system and it remembers where the top of the nosing line is. So let's continue. And which way do you want to move this stair? Positive numbers moves the next stair to the right. Negative numbers move the stair to the left. So if you put in 0, it's going to use this purple line here, the very end of it, as the start of the nosing line of the next stair. Now look down here, this is the nosing line where the purple runs into the finished floor. So what you want to do, you want to move that stair over to the right 11 inches or 10 inches or whatever to try and align the top of the nosing line to the top of the first tread. So let's go ahead and put in 11 inches. Positive, that way it starts it over to the right 11 inches when it starts to draw it. We'll go to the left. We're going to enter a rise, so we'll flip back over here. It's a 7-foot rise and a 10-foot 1 tread length with 11 treads. So 7 foot, this is 7 foot. We're going to do a custom. This is 10-foot 1, I believe. Yep, 10-foot 1, and there's 11 treads. Is the current width still 6 inches? Yes, enter, and it'll go ahead and create the plan view. Now on the right side is the plan views. Notice that now the up is going back to the left. Up is going to the left, stair number 2. And in the section view, it aligned it to the side, so you can move these around anywhere you want to once the stair portion of this program is done. It's put the 4th floor in here, and it's created that elevation of 100 foot and 4 inches, and we can go back and look and see what that is. That's 100 foot 4 inches. So we are on track. So the next one is 7 foot 7 with 11.1. Let's go ahead and do another one. We're going to continue. This is going to be minus 11 inches. And we're going to go back to the right. And I think I put 7 foot 7. 7 foot 7. This is going to be custom. 11 foot 1 with 12. 11 foot 1 with 12. Enter for another 6 foot. So it's got the 3rd stair done, or actually it is the 3rd stair on the 2nd floor, going up to the 2nd floor. And we'll do another one, 7 foot. This time it's going to be 10 foot 2.5 inch with 11 treads. Okay, let's go ahead and do another one. We're going to continue. We're going to move this over 11 inches to the right before it starts. We're going to draw this to the left. I forgot what the rise was, sorry. 7 foot rise. 7 foot. We're going to do a custom. This will be 10 foot 2.5. 10 foot 2-1/2. And I believe there was 11. Yep. With 11 treads. And the same width of the stairs. If you needed to change those, you could do that too. Let me move this out of the way a little bit. So now we have 2 floors done, and we can check this floor for 114 foot 11 inches. 114 foot 11, so we know that we're on track. We're doing good. So let's go for 7 foot 7 and 11 foot 2. Alright, let's start another one. We're going to continue minus 11 because we want to go a negative number to move it to the left. We're going to draw to the right, and this will be 7 foot 7. We're going to do a custom, and this will be 11 foot 2. And I believe that it was 12, yep, 12 treads. enter. And let's go ahead and get the last one done. This will be 7 foot, and then 10 foot 2.5 again with 11 treads. So 7 foot. We're going to continue 11 inches to move it to the right. We're going to draw it to the left. I think it said 7 foot. Yep. 7 foot, custom, 10 foot 2.5 with 11. Enter, and we're done. Now, it's done quite a bit of work for us. So it kept track of all of our elevations. Now we can come back up to the top and check our elevation. That's 129 foot 6. Look on our plan, 129 foot 6, so that we know we're in pretty good shape. And the last stair is on this side, so that we know that the plan view, when the other portion of that stair, see, I think it's on this side, yep, it's on this side, we would draw a railing at the top to a wall, and let's just say that's the wall right there, okay, and that would be the railing at the top, so nobody would fall down the stairwell. So we're on the right track. Basically, this little program just allows you to quickly add some stairs, some elevation views, section views, and plan views of some stairs. It doesn't worry about stringer widths or how far the stringers are from each other. You can do that in your plan views. You can move these plan views however far you need to away from each other, and line the tops and this, that, and the other, so that you get your plan views correct. And also your section view over here, you can move those so that the stair is correct in the width that it needs to be. Now this railing program is not going to do the section or end view of the railing, but it will do a lot of work. It'll put picket rails on these, give you some options, and do shop drawings. So basically you can do the wall rails, the picket rails for this, lay this all out, and you can have it all done in 1 hour or less. Generally it takes about a half an hour to do a stair similar to this, where it's like 3 levels high. But anyway, to be able to draw the stairs and the railings and the wall rails on the rails, and all the shop drawings for the wall rails and the picket rails, all within a half an hour, that's a lot of work. Try it sometime. See how long it takes you. Do it all by hand. Make a video and send it to me. I'd like to see it. I would imagine it's probably going to take you at least 6 to 8 hours to to do all those drawings. And that's a pretty fast drafter. Anyway, watch the next video. It will be of the railings to go on this set of stairs. Thanks.